It is Monday, April 15th, aka tax day. So if you have yet to get yours done, we have a local accountant here to help guide us in the right direction. Welcome, Joey Mejia. Man, you are going to help a lot of people out right now and just really clarify that some of the misconceptions too, I think, right? So
Right.
number one, people can file an extension today still.
Yes, we can still file an extension today. You can go directly to irs.gov, file it there, or you can contact a local tax professional like ourselves or someone else in your area to help you file one of those extensions. You can file them for free online. So yeah.
And it's good until October.
October 15th.
Okay.
Right.
And
In
then
6 months.
after that, would you get a penalty or do you file for another extension?
So the misconception a little bit on the extension is the extension's an extension to file, not an extension to pay. So if you need to make payment plans or anything like that, you can still do that on the IRS website as well. So the extension is just to file. It is to help minimize your penalties and your fines.
Okay, that's very interesting. And then number two, you were saying there are people that may not have to owe money, but people that do. How do people know the difference?
So most of the time, a lot of people wait till the last minute thinking that they do owe, when in fact that they don't. They really don't have to file an extension. So waiting till the 15th kind of really don't have to really do that. But when you are trying to file for something, it's always wise just to do an extension just in case you don't have everything yet, and to avoid any, like we said, any of those penalties.
And what about, like, I always think about families. It's different for a single person versus a family. So then they have to combine their income together. I'm sure a lot of people already know, but we just want to make sure and refresh their memory and give those tips.
Yeah, if you're married, filing, both of the incomes together, getting your child's information as well, dependent care, if they're in any daycare, any schooling like that, make sure we have all that documentation. A lot of the times that's what people are missing and wait till the end to file it, when we can most of the time go directly to the person that we're actually expecting those forms from and get them from them in order not to file late. So gathering the information is a big deal, and that's a lot of the rush to get to the 15th.
Absolutely. And so for the following year, anything that we could do to make our lives easier when filing taxes? I know there's free websites to do it. Maybe sometimes your company pays for it too, right?
Right. Yeah, so a lot of the times companies do have some avenues of organizations that they offer to help you file your taxes if you're under a certain income as well. There's VITA that helps you do that. But yeah, there's some places that allow you to get a lot of that free information. IRS.gov is one of those places as well, so that's a really good website.
So literally IRS.gov could be just the main, your go-to to find everything accurate, and obviously it's the government website, so you'll be good.
All the publications, everything you need.
And if they need more help, they can reach you, and how can they do that?
They can call us at our office, 210-845-1111, or they can go to our Facebook page and request appointments on there, Superior Tax Planning LLC.
And you have an offer for our audience?
Yeah, 15% off if anybody mentions Great Day SA. Okay,
great. And so I'm sure you're going to get a lot of phone calls today. Maybe not. You were saying you've seen so far more people file.
Yeah, we've seen a lot of people come early, which is really good, which is to avoid a lot of the late fees. So don't like to have a lot of people rushing. Mistakes can happen when we rush. So always good to have everything early.
Well, thank you so much, Joey, for being with us. So much helpful information, y'all. Don't stress. We're here to ease it for you. Stay with us, though, because up next, hear about